Boom! It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live with a real crypto talk. Today is January 21st, 2022. The market cap right now is $1.697 trillion. That's a huge drop off. In fact, let's see how much of a percentage it did drop off. 11%, 1.807 billion showing up over here on CoinGecko, but it's about 11% drop. So let's see who are the biggest gainers over the past 24 hours. SafeMoon is up 28%. True USD 0.4, Binance USD 0.1, and of course all of the other tethered or USDT coins. Let's see who or what is on sale the most. Caden down 22%. Convex Finance is down 21%. Secret down 20%. RaidX down 19%. Airweave down 18%. Loop Ring is down 18%. Engine Coin is down 18%. Theta Network down 17%. My God, I think I'm gonna do me some shopping today. All right, so let's jump right into it real quick. Today we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin chart, man, because people have been hitting me up like, James, what's going on with the markets? Well, let's take a look and see. It's the 4 hour. Looks like to me that got a descending, falling wedge here, and in most cases, well, I don't know the statistic. Well, I do know them, but I'm not. It's only at 70%, 70%, about a 7% chance that it's gonna reverse when you see this. The question is, how far down will we drop? Well, let's see. Let's draw up some charts real quick and some support and resistance levels. Let's see here. Here's one here. Change this down to a thin line. All right, so we're gonna. There's a level right here that is respecting as well. So, let's do something else. See another level right in here, right around there. There's another level. Also see another level right around there. So, excuse me. If we base this upon past history, as far as the levels are concerned, another one right here. Yep, got another touch there. Okay, so let's see here. What's this here? This is what, 20,386, 20,386. Folks, if it does drop down to 20,000, if I'm not your financial advisor, I'm not here to give you any financial advice. Me personally, I'm gonna do something I probably ain't done in about 4 or 5 years. I'm gonna go and buy me some Bitcoin. I normally don't buy, I trade, I earn it. Been earning it for years now. But I may go and buy some myself. I mean, yeah, I may buy me some Bitcoin at $20,000. That's just me personally. But I'm just saying, just looking at the levels, it could definitely come back down to this level since it's been respected um, a few times. If I zone all the way in, you see here, it touched it quite a few times there, and it broke that support level there. I see another level right around here, which is around 17,673. Who knows, man? Nobody can predict the future of Bitcoin and where it's going to go. One thing I know is this: you should not be panicking. You should not be panicking. I know that much. You should not be panicking because this is obvious. This is obvious manipulation in the market. Because when you start looking at the metrics, when you start looking at the information on blockchain, you'll see that the hash rate is up. You'll see that the wallets are up. It's just absolutely insane. But the price is yet still being held down. And so, man, weak hands are definitely being shaken out of the market. You guys are literally selling your bitcoins to wealthy people, um, who are attempting to shake you guys out of the market. And so that's just my quick opinion. Not going to be very long on this real crypto talk today. I just want to say, man, guys, stop panicking. Do not panic. Here's the best advice I can give you. Two things. One, get educated about crypto, about blockchain, period. Free link below. Click on it. Like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to the channel, man. I'm telling you, I've been with this I call it a university because we basically that's all we learn some information, we get news, you get updates, we get Zooms, we get, we're all talking about NFTs now, we're talking about metaverse stuff now. The company is evolving. It's basically a university, but the focus is on teaching you how to trade the markets. That's the second thing. Number one, education. Two, learn how to trade these markets. If you up here looking at your wallet every 5 minutes or every other day, and you like, oh my God, please learn how to trade. That's my advice. I will give you that advice. Learn how to trade. It is not that difficult. I'm trying to tell you right now. We have a very simplified way that you can learn how to trade. It's a skill set. I remember when I was in high school, when I was in school, period, I can remember there were vocational classes, VOTEC, something called VOTEC. You would go there and you would literally get a skill set. You could acquire a skill set that you could come out of there, start your own business right out of the gate, knowing how to be, be a plumber, knowing how to what else they were doing? Shop classes, build stuff, right? Brick mason. I mean, all kinds of different skill sets that that once you learned it, you basically had a skill set for life. You could always go to anywhere and get a job, or you could start your own business with that skill set. You know, I don't know why that's not around as it used to be in schools. Um, I feel like it should be. We had home economics, we learned how to cook, we learned how to do a lot of different things. But it was just it was very interesting. It's interesting times right now that things aren't skill sets aren't being the focus. You know, my point is this: when you learn a skill set and you master a skill set, you can do it, pick it up and do it at any given time. And here's something that I'm going to mention. There are a lot of great things that you can do to make money. It really is. Real estate, you know, you can do a lot of different things to make money. Washer and dryers, laundromats, car wash, chain of car washes, restaurants. You can do anything to make money, right? All those things. Here's the realization I had in 2017. I said, man, all those things involve other people. Me having to, not necessarily depend on anybody, but it involved other people. Now, don't get me wrong, trading involves other people, but this is trillions are being traded in the forex markets. You know, trillions are being traded in the crypto markets, and that's happening regardless. And so I remember when I first looked at these charts, it looked like Chinese to me. I'm like, what the hell is all this? How am I going to learn this? You know what I'm saying? Everybody questions themselves when they first look at these charts. But I'm here to tell you, folks, if you devote a little time, just consistently, learning how to mark up your charts, learning when to go in and buy and when to sell, not panicking in moments like these. Our students, I'm gonna give you a freebie. You know, when we see this, you know, we think immediately ladder buying. This is good stuff. This is yummy stuff right here, folks. Now, if you're a newbie and you bought in at the top somewhere or anywhere in Bitcoin, you're looking at your portfolio right now. You're like, man, this dude he ain't talking about shit. It's some bullshit. Well, I beg to differ. I'm telling you, these are the times that you should be buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. For real, folks. The only thing I can say to you is this: we're so early. If you're watching this, if you got $5 in crypto, do you realize how early you are in this space? Bitcoin is only 13 years old, man. You feel me? $1 trillion, you know, marketplace. Bitcoin is not quite $1 trillion yet itself, but I just showed you what the market cap is. 1.8 trillion. Man, it's literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trillions of dollars in world markets. A lot of that money is gonna come over here in Bitcoin. I can literally see Bitcoin being anywhere from $5 to $10 million per coin. I can literally see that in the next, I don't know, who knows when, right? 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, who knows? 5 years? We hope, right? We wish. But hey, who knows, man? One thing I do know is this: we got a couple of more halvings coming up very, very soon. It'll run up on us as quicker than people think. It's going to cut the supply. I mean, not the supply, but it's going to cut the rewards in half. And hey, man, this thing is going to explode when people really least expect it. I really think so. So learn to trade. That's my advice. Not your financial advisor, but I'm just saying, man, knowing what I know, and have experienced, more importantly, knowing what I know and what I have experienced, more importantly, you should be trading. It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Hey man, the links will be below for you to get a free look, get some free training. In fact, it's a 2-hour training. If you look at that training, you're gonna have basic fundamental knowledge on how to make you some money trading these markets. Literally in a 2-hour video. Justin is sharing a couple of secrets that he's giving away for free. So don't take this for granted, folks. I've been talking about this for 5 years now. The Elite Traders Academy is what I like to call the people that have come through me, that have learned how to trade and mastered it and went on to make millions, man. Millions, tens of millions. I won't say hundreds of millions yet. I know a couple folks that made a few tens and tens of millions for sure trading these markets. But hey, man, listen, guys, this marketplace is insane. Okay, you can't handle the volatility. You might want to really get educated and understand the volatility, folks. Talk to y'all soon, man. Peace.